Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT ma'am. Children, hope you all are fine and safe. Children, in our previous classes, we have discussed about several operations on Microsoft Excel 2016. So, today let's discuss how to move the data in a worksheet. Okay. And also we will learn about two features like autofill and flash fill. These are two important features of Microsoft Excel. So in this class we will study more about it. So let's see. First topic is moving data around. Okay. So Excel allows us to move data around the worksheet. So drag and drop method is one of the simplest method to move the data around the worksheet. So let's see how can we do that. Okay. So in our previous classes we have already created a worksheet. So we can do this operation on the same worksheet. Okay. So first what you have to do, select a cell or range of cells. Okay. So here I have selected a range of cells. Then position the mouse pointer at the edge of the selected cells. Okay, at the edge of the selected cells. Now you can see the pointer changes from a white cross symbol to a move pointer symbol. So here you can see a plus sign. So that is a move pointer symbol. Now drag the selected cells or range of cells to a new destination. And after moving the data to the new destination, you can release the mouse button so that you can see the selected data is moved to a new location. Or you can use cut and paste options. For that, select the cells containing data that you want to move. After that, select the cut option. And after that, select the destination cells that where you want to move your data. And finally, select paste option. So you can use these shortcut keys like Ctrl plus H for cut and Ctrl plus V for paste. Okay. Otherwise, you can use cut and paste option on the clipboard group. Now we are going to discuss about the autofill and flash fill feature of Microsoft Excel. So the first one is autofill. So have you ever heard about this word autofill? It is the easiest method which helps us to fill data automatically in the worksheet cells. For example, if we want to enter the serial number, after adding the two numbers like 1 and 2, we can use this autofill handle to fill all the serial numbers. Okay, let's see an example. Okay, so in this worksheet, if you want to add the names of months, what you have to do? Yes, just type January in cell B1. After that, position the pointer at the lower right corner of the cell just like this. Okay, and drag it. So when you position the pointer, you can see the mouse pointer changes into a black plus cross symbol. So hold down the left mouse button and drag the fill handle to cell B5. Okay. So what you have to do, just position the pointer at the lower right corner of the cell. After that, hold down the left mouse button and drag the fill handle to the cell B5. And when you release the mouse button, you can see the months February to May that will appear in the cells B2 to B5. If you want to enter the whole months like January to December, just drag the same handle till B12. Okay. And children, while entering the numbers, what you should keep in mind is that type 2 consecutive numbers to fill the series while using the autofill feature. Okay. The next is flash fill feature. Flash fill feature, it is a time saving feature of Excel 2013. Okay, it identifies the data fill pattern that you use frequently in a worksheet and then fills the remaining series accordingly. Now let's take an example. Here, see, column A contains first names and column B contains last names. So you want to fill the column C with first and last names combined. For that, first we have to establish a pattern by typing the full name in columns C2 and C3. Okay, so first we will type the full name in column C1 and C2 so that Excel's flash feature will fill in the rest for you based on the pattern that you provide. Okay, so after filling or after entering the full name in C2 and C3, it will show you the preview of the rest of the columns filled. If you want to accept the preview, press the enter key. Okay, if you are accepting the preview that showed by the flash fill feature, press the enter key. Then you can see the remaining column will be filled with all the full names that you want. Okay, so this is how the flash fill feature of Excel works. Or else you can use another method. It is that after typing the full name in one or two columns, you can click on the fill drop down arrow present on the home tab, that is in the editing group. Okay, so that you can see the flash fill option selected. Or you can use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus E. Children, please keep it in mind. The shortcut keys for flash fill is Ctrl plus E. Okay, so when you press these keys, all the remaining columns will be automatically filled by the flash fill feature. Okay, so this is how you use flash fill feature. So create a worksheet and try to do or try to use both autofill and flash fill feature of Excel so that it will be more clear to you. Okay, so we have completed our 5th chapter, Microsoft Excel 2016. Write down the notes, attend the review test and learn it well. Okay, so we will see in our next class with a new chapter. Till then, take care. Bye.